You clicked on this video because you're looking for online sales training for manufacturing. You came to the right place. I've got you covered. By the way, hi, if we haven't met before, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training, the most effective sales coaching in the world. Why is Easton University so effective? Because it's both sales training. You're going to have access to on-demand training videos with me. They're in short, digestible bursts in a Netflix-style environment, 24/7, 365, whatever the situation. From prospecting to closing, from handling objections to building your presence online, every situation in your sales and business development career is represented in that on-demand training. Now here's where the magic happens. We also have sales coaching. With your unlimited access, you're gonna have the ability to do live sales coaching with me every single week. Whatever you're facing, whether it's making prospecting calls, whether it's getting contracts in, or handling a specific objection, you're gonna have the ability to bring those questions to me, bring those situations to me, and I'm gonna work with you in a live environment and help you get better. Every single week, if you want to join the live coaching, it will be there for you. And when you have unlimited access, you'll also be able to earn your certified master sales consultant credential. So whether you're bringing yourself on or your team, you're going to get the sales training through the portal, you're going to get live sales coaching with me, and you're going to have the ability to earn your certification. Easton University is new, it's totally relevant, totally current, and it is the sales coaching that is going to help you take your career, your team, and your business to the absolute next level. And don't just take my word for it. There's a link up at the top there to over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you, organizations just like yours that saw results immediately. They were able to take their sales and top line revenue to absolutely record levels. I'll put a few of those video testimonials right here at the end of this video, but be sure there's much, much more over at eastonuniversity.com. Head over there, take a look around. Give us a call. I would love to talk to you. My people would love to talk to you. I'm serious. I will talk to you personally. You can reach the Easton University headquarters at 800-628-1456. And don't forget to visit eastonuniversity.com to see those additional testimonials. And there's some free sales tips that will make a difference for you right away. Again, my name's Matt Easton. It's fantastic to meet you. I'll see you over at eastonuniversity.com right now.
If you're watching this, you're either a fan of Matt Easton or you're about to be a fan of Matt Easton.
We've about 7x'd our top line revenue for our business since working with Matt.
Yeah, we closed 1.36 million today.
Oh, just a tiny 1.36 million.
I know, just a small one.
Matt, thank you for everything that you do for our team.
I've spoken to a number of the companies that he's done business with, and Easton University is one of the best out there.
I just helped my client close on this 44,000 square foot, $8.8 million office building using Matt Easton's systems and procedures.
The content and information is the best I've ever come across.
Thank you so much. Easton University has been a total game changer for our company.
What works, Matt, is that this works. If you follow the process that you laid out in the training videos, as simple as they are, and do it consistently on an ongoing basis, it works.
You have a whole process here, and I'm telling you guys, it is definitely perfect, and I really got to thank Matt Easton for this.
Very happy that I took the leap of faith to go ahead and invest in myself and in my career.
This is John Minnis with Compass Funding.
Louis Dorey, Vice President of Sales and Alliances and Partnerships at Solgari.
Got my book here. Been going through the courses, and I got to tell you, the one thing that you've done is just made the sales training ultra simplistic and really easy to understand.
The sales coaching that he provides is phenomenal.
Thanks, Matt. Here's what I want us to do this morning, right? We want to talk about mindset.
If you are looking to leveling up your life, your career, your finances, and your mindset, waste no time, enroll into Easton University, and you will not regret it.
You just have to pick up the damn phone and start calling. Using these scripts, it's going to work.
Thank you.
Matt Easton.
Matt is an expert at tone, at approach.
Walked into the meeting and the The buyer says you have 22 minutes, go. And lo and behold, 4 days later, we got a $300,000 win.
If you are looking to close more business, Matt is your guy.
Trying to get the real deal with Matt Easton.
Matt is a catalyst for success in sales, business, and life. Matt is best known for helping people get better in minutes, where normally they had struggled for years.
Just wanted to say that today was my first day with Matt Easton on a Zoom call. The results that I'm getting were instant, game-changing. The things that he told me were so phenomenal. It helped me out. Totally next-level results instantly. Can't thank you enough, man.
What we're doing is affecting people's lives. Whether you guys believe this, whether you care about it or not, it's the truth.
Here we are, man. $304,000 campaign starts October 1st to March 1st. So not even a full year.
I am so proud of you. This is exactly what we're talking about here at Easton University.
Led the country after 6 months with this company.
It goes from the psychology of certain words and phrases that you would speak with a prospect into turning situations around and back into your hands and taking control.
Thank you, Matt. Sometimes you just don't know what you don't know. And, Matt is a professional.
So wait, let me make sure I understand. Just so I understand. You came into this with very little sales training, very little knowledge. You were freaked out when we first started talking. And now you went from 0 to hero.
0 to hero.
Boom, in 6 months. Good job.
This guy is he's out there, he's amazing, he brings so much content and knowledge and has amazing stuff out there. And guys, let's give it up for none other than Matt Easton.
It makes a lot of sense. It makes sales so easy.
This type of training is very important.
It really teaches you not to be intimidated.
This is important work.
This is Dave Calafiore, co-founder of leadbubble.io.
I highly recommend you invest in yourself and enroll right away.
Thank you so much. Easton University has been a total game changer for our company.
Everything that you need to know in order to be successful. Matt Easton, you're the man. Love what you're doing. I love what you put together.
Matt Easton has helped our young sales team navigate the sales process. His training has ultimately helped us close more deals.
When I decided to take a leap into tech sales, I decided to go ahead and sign up for Easton University.
I love how real Matt is.
We have so much fun in the one-on-one sessions. The team always gets so much value out of it.
I've built a whole new confidence with myself when it comes to speaking with any prospect or dealing with any objections that they might bring up.
If you keep doing the same thing that you've been doing, you're going to get the same results.
The strategies that Matt Easton has put together is literally the perfect way.
Sales training, Easton University, it's phenomenal.
Closing more deals in less time with less effort.
I've been in sales for about 12 years now, and I've taken every sales course under the sun. I've read nearly every book that's available, and I don't think I've found anything that resonated quite like Easton University's Certified Master Sales Consultant training.
Hire Matt Easton. You will not regret it. He will get you more money, faster, better results, and you'll just feel better about you're gonna love your job. You're gonna love that this is what you're doing.
Here's what I believe. In every single interaction that you and your people have, a sale takes place.
As a result of connecting with Matt, we 5x'd our top line revenue.
I wanted to say thank you.
Matt Easton has helped me with this. It is a sales process that simply works.
Do not think twice about reaching out to Matt, connecting with him, and getting help from him and Easton University.
Thank you, Matt Easton.
Thank you, Matt.
Matt Easton's videos were really quick and easy to understand.
Working with Matt has been an absolute game changer for us.
I have gotten a tremendous amount of benefit from not only the coursework content, but the actual personal coaching from Matt.
If you're thinking about getting that education, I'd highly suggest you do.